Hello students, today we are going to study not any lesson but revision test. So far we have gone through different topics of English grammar. On that topic few questions are chosen, or I can say few topics are chosen. From those topic I have set this question paper. This question paper is of 20 marks. This test is conducted for the sake of revision. The format of the paper: subject English grammar, standard is mentioned, date this paper you have to solve on Monday, that is tomorrow, 29/6/2020. Now this paper is of 20 marks. 10 marks is of do as directed. I have covered here, I have put the questions on indirect speech, affirmative sentence, arrange the words in alphabetical order, then pick out the modal auxiliary and state its function. Next question is rewrite the sentence beginning with a tree. This is change the voice. You have to change active into passive. Sometimes board gives this kind of questions to put you in confusion whether you have understood voices or not. So twisted questions will be given. Next is pick out the infinitive from the following sentence. Then comes identifying the tenses and transform into present perfect tense. I have given in past tense. You have to convert into present perfect tense. Next question is question tag. Then comes rewrite the sentence using though. And then the 10th question is convert the given sentence into exclamatory sentence. Assertive into exclamatory. So these are the questions I have given as do as directed. It is for 10 marks. Question number 2, you have to complete the web. Now, role of nature. What are the role of nature? You have to write, you have to draw the web and write in that box or in that web. You have to refer the lesson, the alchemy of nature. We have already completed this lesson. Refer the lesson to find the or to get the answer. Question number 3, complete the table. Now here I have given first column, adjectives are given. There are 4 adjectives: able, efficient, recognizable and excitable. You have to write noun forms of the given adjectives. This is for 2 marks. Complete the web for 3 marks. Next question is writing skill. Now you have studied 4 poems so far. So one poem appreciation you have to write. So appreciation you have to write any one. Write the appreciation of the poem in paragraph format in about 6 to 8 lines with the help of the following points. Here points are given. The first point is the title of the poem. Second, the poet name. Third, rhyme scheme. Fourth, figures of speech, and the last point is theme or central idea. Now since you have studied 4 poems, any one you have to write. You can write where the mind is without fear, you can write animal, whatever you've learnt, you can write one appreciation of that. Now here I have highlighted paragraph format. That means you have to write in paragraph format and including all these given points. Now appreciation of the poem contains 5 marks. So the paper is of 20 marks. 10 marks do as directed. Question number 2 and 3, that is complete the web, and next is complete the table, that is adjective. You have to write the nouns form of that. And last question, the next question is writing skill. You have to write the appreciation of the poem, any one appreciation in paragraph format. Now, what is the reason behind this conducting test? This is, we would like to test you whether you are learning, you are revising or not, or the concept is clear, to keep a check whether the concept is clear, whether you understood the grammar, or whatever the questions we have taken so far, whatever the topic we have taught so far. Therefore, the test is conducted. Now, hereafter, till the school starts, every end of the week, I am going to conduct a test on the particular topic, so that you will get time for revision. At the same time, we get a chance to keep a check on the taught topic. I hope you will go through all the questions, write the question, one question, one answer, solve the paper, and in the notebook you write down the date, that is 29/6/2020. When you give for checking, for me also it is very easy to check that this test is conducted on the particular date. Therefore, write the date, write the paper format. Then when you solve the paper, one question, one answer. Question number 2, web is compulsory and the table is compulsory. The next question, writing skill, appreciation, it should be in paragraph format. Thank you, dear children, and have a nice day. Hope you will study well and give your best. Thank you.